Abezizwe zonke and sila at the Marine building in yabaseshi. Izolo I was called by umseshi wecase yengane yami engivulele against amaphoyisa because bayithela lapha ngamanzi lawa ekuthiwa khalisane angaza khalisane. So amaphoyisa ngesikhathi ifika beletha ukudla eEddington nenkosazana enye engisizayo officeini. Wafika ngalesi sikhathi nje kuphuma ingane zesikole bamfutha ngamanzi and ngebhadi because kune-albinism kube sekuvela ukuthi shouthi amanzi abene chemical thizeni because amshisa umzimba and wathinteka nje even her private party kunezinto ezenzakele. I took her to the doctor ngangitshela ukuthi ngoba wakhala ngokuthi kuyancinza bahambe ke bayendlini basishane bafike bashintshe ageza shintshe but ekseni uvukuvukela ubuso ngathi abamhambise kudokotela because ngayitshela ukuthi ayi mhlambe nje into encane edlula mayefika ethola dokotela ukuthi ayisimo simbi ngempela. I then opened a case against the state because kutholakala ukuthi chemical ingene ngaphakathi kuyena and le chemical uthi udokotela kube kuthiwa uhambe kancane ibingama affecta even ukuthi akhonsive le ngendlela dangerous ngakhona because ziningi izinto ezenzakele. Zikhona ke nethombe zakhe kwasebusweni nayo yonke indawo la agcinele imali akhona. Then after opening a case ke I was called by UIO we case yami la officeini shuthi ungifonele ngibuye enkantolo. I was in Scottsburg izolo ngisenkantolo then ngathi ngizodlula ke na because bethu ufuna ukuletha J88 and ufuna ama witness statements because ingane yasenza statement when she opened the case. So when I got here le bhilidi leli alapha abaseshi when I got here bethi hawu ngize kumseshi mina wecala lengane yami bathi uqhamuka omunye umseshi athi hawu wenza kahle wafika ngiyanifuna no Jacinta fanele nizosayina ama warning statements why hayi nivulelwe icala by who by uKennel Mayile or Kennel Banbani ngithi who's Kennel Mayile kuthiwa Eddington instigative violence so we need you to sign the ama warning statements. Ayi okay ngithi mina mangiphuma la nje ngizodila nani. The very same baseshi ababopha amaphoyisa sePoint ehlangene bonke ngoba babefikile SIU NIU bezosibopha namasosha ngesikhathi sesiboshwa namasosha 403 eElwin Court sidila nama foreigners sidila nabantu bebekade bedla ama flat ogogo asebedla ama wrestler eThekwini ama wrestler eThekwini ama foreigners. I-Department of Education higher education knows ukuthi they are benefiting from these foreigners. So nalela flat with 140 units ama 3 bedrooms already sebeyakha imkhukhu nje yabo la behlalisa khona bakhipha ogogo abanama title deed because that's a human settlement building banama title deed ogogo lapha they are RDP houses. We had discovered ukuthi kunama kingpins lapha kunama drug lords lapha yana kunabantu abantshontsha imoto kunama rapists alukho uhlobo lesigebengu lingekho. With the evidence we took it to the police instead amaphoyisa afika bophathini. So the very same baseshike ngoba sacaphunwa it wasn't the first incident it happened about 3 times. Then mabesibopha a point should babe intimidate babesixexezisa because mina bangihudula phansi. Masifika khona they released us after 7 hours of detention sesicwele khona police station abasazi benze njani ngathi they released us and we refused sathi nijwayela kabi. That's when sadila nombatha wakhona ogcine ebulala amasosha ngesikhathi amasosha edoyizela ama benefits wawo kamasipala and or a city hall. So he ended up killing amasosha ngoba alala phansi etoyiza nane right joba dedelela ngishe imanje namajaji alala phansi athi ayizodlula uhola lo i-truck le enekhala elikhulu wayigxoba abantu lo omunye wamgxoba esiswini and he passed on washonela esibhedlela and ubehlala ngakubo ngaselokishini la kade ehlala ngakhona behlangana nabathreatnisha nabasho njalo nawabulala uCommando Pro no walimaza nobani omunye wathi isitunya labheke emuva. So lamaphoyisa siyazana nawo and sibophaneke now almost the whole 7 months sehla senyuka inkantolo after refusing ukuthi no ngeke singakwazi ukuthi ngeke sikwazi ukuphuma ngoba if it means sibopheni 10 years or whatever, we want justice for lamasosha, we want justice for ogogo abahlukunyeziwe nokuboshwa kwethu ngesihlale intimidate amaphoyisa thina ebazi ukuthi enza into wrong. So bagcina ke besibopha kwapho ukuthi basivalele because we are saying we almost took over the police station that time because amaphoyisa akaphuma nje ashiya sodwa bangaphesha komgwaqo ngisho se recruitena sabungene sabamasosha ngaphakathi, but ke bagcina besibopha baphelelwa yibona amaphepha. We ended up bebopha 63, but bonke abanye bagcine beclaima after that unlawful arrest nokuhlukumezeka kwenzeka by estate uclaim amasosha 403 plus ogogo about 11 ababoshwa nabo bethinteka and other people abagcine be-affecteka khona. But thina nje mina ngahlala 21 days nje Westville ngiboshiwe, amanye amasosha aphuma after 13 days, amanye aphuma after 11 days, amanye aphuma sahlala nje impela khona Westville sihlukunyezwa futhi nakhona saphinde sahamba 7 months only to find ukuthi the very same baseshi labeze khona oyedwa wakhona lo ikhaladi ube khona izola simazi ke lo omunye engazi noma wayintombi kama station yini lo ejumpsuit ya avocado iphoyisa lelo noma lihlala la noma lihlala akusi umseshi le kodwa nalo kwakuyilona plus noma uyiclerk angimazi lo yantombazana uyini plus leli elesilisa elathi aliyazi address yami, which was the reason why they had to ukuthi bangibuyisele again eStockton because ufikile kwamazozenza interview uvele seyipontshini interviewer for indaba yokuthi kwenzakaleni ezothatha statement eoffice lami, but mangabe sebesibopha again kwafanele ukuthi inkantolo ibuyele emuva because mina kusaw verify iaddress ukuthi bathi address la kuthiwa ngihlala khona ngitholakala the second IO osebenzisana nayo because bawahlanganisa ama cases wabo. So sigcine ke sesiba ke ne case eya withdraw enkantolo because ngesikhathi esibopha amaphoyisa abantu okuyibona kuthiwa bavula ama case they are foreigners and they couldn't get the statements for ababophi, they couldn't get the statements from ama witness abo for good 7 months, wasting the state resources, wasting ukudla kufanele ngabe kudliwa abantu lapha yathina sakhishelwa i-uniform entsha eWestville Sphere khona. So we are charging them ngenhlahla siyabaza amagama, we have ama videos, we have everything. Phela ngithi mangabe iphoyisa ulibophisa fanele uthi put a tag on them uqinisekisa ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ubosho bani. So sengiyazi ukuthi mina kanti leya phekha kusilo leli yabhunu ebeliginqa ama hand grenade phansi lijikjela la shaya ingane na 6 years yalimala naba abazali abavulile icase yakhe because that was irresponsible of leli yabhunu ukuthi he was enjoying ubandlululo yena ngebhadi amaphoyisa. There's something abangaze bangayinaka. We have a case esenkantolo ibe ne-inquest for almost a year eyamabhunu ngo-1980 namhlanje sibala 34 years sibala 43 years lamabhunu acommitted that crime. Umuya nje eNgwavuma leya region yaseNgwavuma ngoba kukhona omzala Ncumalo, kukhona obani obani oPass 4 Phungula, kukhona laphaya uNgoloyi kaMngomezulu. uNgoloyi wathathwa amaphoyisa namhlanje singazi isidumbu sakhona bengaphandle bese bengale kwaseSwazini besemgedeni athi amaphoyisa amqhumisa ngebhomu. So lawo makhehla ahamba ngama wheelchairs namhlanje amabhunu ngesikhathi sobandlululo aseyavuma manje ukuthi ambulala kanjani. Ifamily ithi nje sikhalela ithambo wena abanye bathi baqamba amanga because kunamathamba sabonakala emgedeni. They wanted DNA ifamily kuze kube manje. So this maphoyisa ke esidibene nawo namhlanje kufanele sizoyinikela noma ngobe ubengakwazi ngisho ukulala ke lokho engifonela uthi hayi bengangifonelanga mina mntwana ngithi bebesathi bafuna kwa number yakho kumina, but ngesikhathi ebengiphume ngaso kumseshe ngize kuyena bebengasekho ndawo to be found. Even kwalo esaboshwa siboshwa into efile naye today sizodla. Imagine imali estate ezoclaimwa for an unlawful arrest depending on a crime committed nokuthi balimala kanjani abantu. Ngalimala njengoba ningibona ngangihamba nangazi induku babe ngihudula benza ngayo yonke into. Imali ezokhokhelwa istate for unlawful arrest as inibona izimo amaphoyisa enza khona. Again this time nginengane yami personally mina abayilimazini ngibese ngithi hayi cha mseshi ngijabuliswa ukuthi mina sengiyazi ukuthi i-charge iya against ubani ngoba bekhombele leyabhono leliya i-charge iya against ubani. So lo Colonel Mayile govula icala kusho ukuthi uyena in charge of that pack. Now we know ukuthi claim iya against ubani. I will tell them bazontshela general la ngabontshela general emadolobeni ababe ngibophe emahhotela serious lapha ko Beverly Hills. Ko Beverly Hills uyacabanga uphuma front page owesifazane othumbisile. Imagine what a drama. Ekade ngaba udrama queen webantu. Kodwa ke abantu bengisukela. Imagine uthumbisilo. Na onjalo amaxoka akithi omntana uThulani okuyibona babengiqhatha nebhisi befuna ukwenza izinto against indlunkulu ukuthi kufanele kwenzakaleni. Forcing izinto ngento yaManazaretha nani. So silapha ke sizoyinikela, then siyaqhubeka. Yesterday I spoke to umuntu okuyena responsible for place kweyingane lapha ngokwe department Mr Senzelwe Mtshali yeah kodwa umtshali noma kulapho kosenzelwe lapha igama lakhe umtshali uye wanikwa ama details by umabaso osebenza no MEC uHlomuka kwi department ukuze kuhanjiswe the list indlunkulu ebikade ithi leza ingane ayifaka. Only 15 ingane manje aba refuse ukuyifaka to isikole esigcwele. There's nothing they can do at all. Ikhona ke recording yakhe nizoyizwa nje ukuthi ubebhuda lo muntu kwalento akhuluma ngayo akayazi. They can't even organize the scholar transport, and uthi district insist ekutheni lezi ingane ayihambe la abathi ziyakhona. Ayike bahlobo sithi cha ake size sizoyinikela njengoba kuthiwa instigate violence phela fanele ba produce evidence yento abakhuluma ngayo, because as far as I remember bengise gateini mina ngivikelwe iwona amaphoyisa ngivulela ingane ukuthi ingane ayiphumi. Yes fine sasithi ayenziwe head count because I department is giving us some stats akungasiwo akuwona akhulumayo. So ukuthi kwenzakalani but ngikukhumbula ukuthi kunendoda yathi ingena phambi kwethu ingena nesibhamu yangaphandle ngathi nangu umuntu engena nesibhamu. Even have evidence amaphoyisa they didn't arrest, but they were very quick ukuthi bagxume ba-arrest. They forgot to check even the identities alaba bantu. Siyawudinga uHome Affairs ukuthi ayoqinisekisa immigration ayoqinisekisa ukuthi bonke laba bantu they qualify to be here ngoba ayisizoyithola siba nenkinga abahlobo. And we are trying to calm the situation, but today officially we are launching the application march shutdown ngomhla ka 26 February nationally ezobika dijila nesimo lesi esikhuluma ngaso sesenzo salaba abantu bangaphandle. And umsuka fanele bakwazi Department of Education Eddington iskole, you must take responsibility. You cannot defy the order from the owner of that land. Remember isizwe seNgonyama lesi ingonyama isishilo ukuthi leza ingane ayifakwe esikoleni, and yena he advocates for his people. The other people that he doesn't know about akabazi khona. Uma suka la so ICC so confirm date in March ezoba wonke lama embassies iswadinge ICC because we need to speak business. Bona if they want to do business with our country, and if they still want to have those bilaterals in place with our country as South Africa and with our province as KwaZulu-Natal, those bilaterals they must make sure that they protect them and make sure that those who are here illegally, who are not here for business, that they thina kithi abayishilo ukuthi bazele yona sibakhiphe esimeni. And again, while I'm still there, the association of Ethiopians and the association of Somalians, was it the Somalians, sometime last year, they wrote to me saying bacela ukuthi ngibadlulisele kwingonyama ukuthi bona they can pay even for FNB or Moses Mabhida uma kufanele bona bakhokhe ukuze ingonyama izoba addressa, because bayizwe ithi ingonyama abangaxoshwa abantu bangaphandle kungaliwa nabo, but abeze kuyona ingonyama ngalesi sikhathi befuna ama permits nama license to operate. Bekade kukhuluma kakhulu izinto ethinta ama spaza shops and their businesses in the country. Bathi bacela bangithumelela, we have ama letterheads abo nama contacts. We are saying now it's your turn. It's your time ukuthi we must meet ASAP. And we want to meet with those associations by as early as Wednesday next week, so that we know what, how do you plan to, or how do you intend to address this, because they present themselves as legitimate business people so that they deal with their fellow brothers and sisters. We can't have the country that is spending over 400 million every month on foreigners or on refugees, and they are taking our medication, they are taking things baya kuma base wethu bazi nokuthi siphandle kangakanani. Government can't even alungise ama base wethu, military bases akana capacity yokuthi makufanele kuphume kulwimbi, but they were able to go and assist eZimbabwe makufika ikhukhula. And just recently amazamazama awangaphandle avumbuke esikoleni eGoli. What is that? Kuzofanele kulimala ingane ngoba imigodi yabo sebeyimbe yazi yagcina ihovoza isikole. And emuya eGoli there are so many ukuthi ama sinkholes, there are so many sinkholes uthi uhamba ko Centurion umgwaqo usuyavoshoka, and there are so many zamazamas illegally mining emhlabeni wethu. Government afika wathi owakhe unabanikazi babahleli ngaphezulu abawugadile. Just recently ubesho uGode Mantashe ukuthi umhlaba kusiwo wamakhosi. Let's see ukuthi if you want that license and want that permit, how are you going to access that land? Let's wait and see. This time as we are going for ama elections, ntambama ngizobe ngibreak down indaba ukuthi amakhosi aniphatheleni when it comes to ama elections ale ndawo. Ngithi hey, good luck ma political parties, ngicabanga ukuthi ndemhlabeni yamakhosi ilazo njekisa khona amakhosi ukuthi listen, we own the people, we own the land, we own our space, we own the subjects that are under our land. So if you want to come to our land, uqala uzokhankasa, hayinzogeja ama politicians, whether you have your candidate in that land, akuzofanele udlule kwi tribal authority if lawo makhosi engacontestanga or akhipha a candidate from their tribal authorities, because remember we have a legacy to protect. Amakhosi ane responsibility and ikhona indawo la acetshwa khona. So the offices are in place, everything is in order so that we fix those protocols, but we'll go there uma sesikhulumise topic ngaleso sikhathi specifically, because I've got to break that one down so that we understand it sonke. So yeah, ngilinda uma ngobeseke ngoba ngathi late nyana nobaba uZuma la besivumelene ukuthi hayi ngo 8:30 singangabo, so that they don't come to our places ngoba bethe bazothatha ama statements. So sesikhona ke singangabo sizoyihanda over shuthi siyaboshwa lona. Thank you.